Hi, it's Friday, so let's chill and do something easy today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn Frontend and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Let's solve today Codewars kata, titled Form the largest. Given a number, return the maximum number could be formed from the digits of the number given. Consider that only natural numbers passed to the function and digit duplications could occur. Okay, the example, next number 213, it returns 321. Explanation. As 321 is the maximum number could be formed from the digits of the number 213. And the next example, starting from 7 and returns 9873. Okay, I can solve this kata using the following approach. I need to represent this number value as a string value, then sort them, placing biggest number on the left side of this string and the lowest on the right side, accordingly, and then convert the string into a number and return this value. Okay, let's do that. Let's convert the input value into a string n. Now convert that into an array. And now sort this array according to our approach, with the input values a and b minus a. And now the result. Array, join it, and return the number. Here. Let's try. Good, it works. Now let's optimize this solution. I can shift this return to the very beginning, starting from return, then parse int the result, and let's play the rest there. Now let's chain everything, starting from string, then split it, then sort it, then join it. Let's check. Good. Now let's convert this into an array function. I don't need this return and this one. Let's test. Good. Now I can make this part shorter. By default, sort method sorts from lowest to highest, so I need to revert the result and then join it. I can do that as following, and reverse it. Let's test. Good. Now let's make our solution shorter. Let's use shorthands for everything. Plus here, a string literal here, and remove this one. Let's test. Yes, that works, and for all the test cases. Yes, that's correct. I like it. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.